Yes, hello, Kenneth. Good to see you here. Good evening. Eliza Serban, it's our first time seeing you here, Eliza. Welcome. Good evening. Hello, Lynch. Again, yes. Good evening. Good evening. All right, so we'll start in a bit. Yeah? Oh, drinking RH while waiting. Wag masyado baka, you know, tawag dito, like, you gain so much confidence, like, you traded right away like that, yes? Yeah, so enjoy, yeah. Let's give others like around 2 minutes, okay? Then we will start. 2 minutes, we will start. Yes, Mervin Gopez in TikTok. Hello, good evening. Andret Store, good evening. Yes, welcome everyone. Leonidas PH, good evening, good evening. Yes, soon makakasali na rin ako sa Premium One. I'll wait for you. Okay, Art Gear, I'll wait for you. All right. So, during this live session, any questions that you have, okay, regarding to trading, related to trading, I'll answer it, okay? I'll give my best explanation on it. I'll try to give the best explanation that I can. And as simple as possible, I will answer it, you know? So, yeah, if you have any questions, again, if you have any charts that you want to be, looked at, I am willing, I'm welcome to break it down to you. Trading and me in TikTok. Hello, hello. Laban Kitty. Hello, yes. Good evening, good evening. Hello, Sazid. Okay. How's it going? It's been a while, yeah? Hello. Alexander. Yes, hello again. Good evening. Um, so Kennedy is asking, Coach, my tutorial ka about on how to read MACD. So Kennedy is asking if I have tutorial on how to read MACD. I have it in my premium. So yes, meron siya, Kenneth, sa premium. All the lessons, I'm telling you guys, my premium is from basics to advanced. The lessons are there. Okay? They are there. So if you're interested in learning how to trade price action, I have my premium. Okay, my premium. So it's complete. Okay, again, MACD is there. Contents po ng premium subscription. Okay, so before we start, let's go over that then. Yeah, let me try to share my screen right here. Just a moment. Okay. So hello, hey Hishi Finds. Okay, good to see you here again. Yeah. Epic 5 is asking, Ma'am, ano talaga strat mo sa trading? He's asking, what really is my strat in trading? Okay, I'll answer that in a while. Let me share my screen from here muna. Okay, not this one, but this one. Okay, so this one is again my premium plan. It is in Discord. Okay, for those who are in TikTok, you can open my bio right now. There's a link in there that will lead you to my Discord. Okay, so this is what you'll get in premium plan. A crypto intraday, I'll give out signals, especially if they're high quality one. Nowadays, back then, during bull market and stuff, I'll be giving out two signals every day, sometimes three, four. Why? Because during bull market, um, it's a really good time to to be trading high quality, low risk, kumbaga. But during this time, during accumulation, that is why you guys will be seeing a few signals only. Why? um in a reason that there's a lot of noises. You guys can see that, right? Like spikes up, spike down, diba? Spike up, spike down. So whenever I release a signal, it is a high quality one. Especially that it is a signal, It's not like I'll tell you, oh, enter here right now, exit here right now. So what if I exit right now and then, you guys were late, and then like I close it out and then it drop or pump. That's the problem with Signal. You have to handle it on your own. Yes, you get the levels, pero they have to be precise. So with that said, I only give signals when they are high quality. So Bitcoin report, I give out. I used to be giving out, written report, but now since we have the live in YouTube, okay, for those who are in TikTok, this is in YouTube, okay, available in YouTube also. I do now daily report in Bitcoin and YouTube live. So, if you'll see me post in here, it will be some, I guess, like the overview for the monthly, but daily now we will be breaking down Bitcoin in, a live in YouTube. Okay? So bull run plan, I do give my my coins, what I put into, spots. So like the XRP, I have XRP in my bull run plan, in my bull run plan, I got XRP, and you guys saw how XRP went from 100% return. So I saw that on my portfolio also, 100% profit on just portfolio. So I guess, so this is the Mayari premium. This is what you'll get. We have international chat for those, who speaks English or other nationalities. Okay. But we also have Filipino chat. So don't worry, guys. You can speak Tagalog. Okay. And also in here, if you have any questions regarding to trading, you can question me in Tagalog. That's fine. Okay, no problem with that. Yes, I know I speak English, but it is for to cater my international students. Okay, so we also have TA discussions in there if you want to discuss some TA, and then we also have some brief lesson. I share some some advice also, trading advice sort of, yeah. And right here, this is the main part of the premium plan. What you are paying. What you're paying, guys, is the lesson. And right now is the best time to learn. Let me tell you. Because market is just at the point of accumulating. So at the same time, I want you to accumulate knowledge, if you can. So this right here, from beginners to advanced, yung mga MACD, Fibonacci, um, EMA, RSI, all lessons is in here. I broke it down in here. Let me tell you. So you also get the basics, yeah, and yes, this is a complete basic package in here also. But at the same time, you guys can see my YouTube. Okay, let me try to open right here. All right, so this is my YouTube. I have, for those who are new, again, welcome. My name is Mayari, and I trade crypto. And this, for last month, I started this one. Okay, free trading lessons. You can check it out. This is part one. Yeah, part one. So you can go over my YouTube, watch in there. And at the same time, I do recommend you to get the premium plan. It is complete in here. So how much? How much for premium plan? Guys, it is just $30 in a month. That's it. You get all of this. Sige? Okay, so okay, let's answer some other question before we have a start. All right, Marjan Acosta, hello, watching in big screen. Thank you. Okay, so we have some questions in here, guys. Okay, let me answer this. If I'm maintaining a chicken breeding business, can I focus on trading if I only have 2 to 4 hours allocated in learning trading, ma'am? Yes, absolutely you can. To be honest, 2 to 4 hours of your day, ma'am, I'm not, no, I'm assuming this is 2 to 4 hours, per day. Okay, it's actually excellent. Na, it's an excellent time. You know, if you guys want to learn trading, this is an excellent session or time that you can give in your trading. Absolutely, you can learn even though you have a business. I used to study when I was studying, what do you call this? When I was studying uh, trading, I was still, I know, guys, I was still in my first, that was 2015. So I was like around fourth year high school. Yeah. Now you guys are, please do not calculate my age right now, okay? By that. But yes. So I was still a student that time, and I can only study during evening. During evening yan, all the way till like 1 a.m. That's it. That's the time. And when I entered college, I remember I will be looking, through my phone during classes, how's my position. And that time I was trading Forex naman, Forex. Still Forex that time. Okay. So, yes, that's right, Lynch. So, 2 hours learning for trading, that is more than enough. You just need to be consistent. That's right. You just need to be consistent. So, how much premium, Miss Mayari? Again, it's just 30 bucks or 1,700. I accept Gcash, guys. Okay, for those who are wondering. And please avoid possibly those scammers. Just go over my Discord, so you guys can avoid that. For those who are in YouTube, the description is, the link is in the description down below. All right, so yes, good evening, Joseph. Hello, hello. Does the premium Google Drive containing trading strategies as well? So this one in the premium is just pure lesson. So when we talk about strategies now, I might have thrown some small, strategy that you can do per topic. But if you want this updated one, which I do right now, I teach it in my crash course and my private students, especially my private students. In my private, we define the um what was the word for that? I customize it according to how they trade it. That's what we do with it. Okay, so $30. Yes, premium course, that's right. Hello, Carl. Hello, hello again. Age reveal, grabe ha. Wait lang po. Laptop ginagamit during nag-aaral ka pa sa Forex. To be honest, so Joseph is asking if I was using laptop already when I was learning, Forex. Yes, I used to learn on laptop, but during the crypto time na, I got comfortable trading with iPad. For those who have been with me since I started Mayari, you guys know that I started with iPad, and I have been trading with iPad since then. iPad and phone. That's it. iPad and phone. It's just now that I have again a laptop just for me to execute live like this. Hello, Ralph. Hi. Yeah. So Ralph, I know Ralph has been a premium student, since past year. Hello, hello. Happy to see you here. Okay. So, hello Yakamuna in TikTok. Good to see you again. Okay, so all right, so let's have a start. By the way, guys, for those who are new in here, please excuse my voice. I know, guys, I'm still recovering from from allergy and cough, and so I'm really sorry. I'm for my voice already. Okay. Anyway, so let's have a start. For those who have any chart request, that is more than welcome. If you have any question, that is also welcome. Any trading related questions, say it. Okay, so mhm. All right. All right, so right now we have the Bitcoin daily right here. And since yesterday night, okay, since yesterday's live, wala pang we didn't have any breakout yet. Can you see this candle? So yesterday there was no movement at all. Even my personal trade was it was like lagging. So I closed my trade in around like 3 to 4% profit only, like really small, like around $50 only. But it's fine, right? Like in a slow day, $50, that's fine. So if you're asking if I have any trade positions right now, no, I do not have. So If we see some possible trade right now, then you guys will be able to know that, okay? And I will be taking that trade. So, okay, so again, daily, for those who are new in here, this is Bitcoin, and this is the consolidation pattern that is, Bitcoin is currently trapped in. And wait, let me have a count right here because it is showing like a three tops already. So if I'm not mistaken, I want to see on the lower time frame, guys. We already have three tops. So miss what is three tops? Okay, for those who are new in trading, we have one. Can you see this one? One first attempt to go up, rejected. Second attempt to go up. Can you see this? Second attempt to go up. Let me do the line so you can see. First, second, and then third attempt to go up. Yeah, we have again rejection right there. Yes. So with that said, I want to be, seeing. Oops, sorry. Yeah, so I want to be seeing this one on the lower time frame later. We'll do. Okay. So okay, I want to see how's that trend going on right now. So, as I have mentioned yesterday, the strength of Bitcoin is slowing down. Yeah, slowing down meaning like I am seeing some weakness, that is weakness in terms of like going up. So possibly Bitcoin will have that retest. So we have studied that yesterday, the strength, how is it going. So one thing that I would like to point out in here, so you guys will especially those who are learning how to trade. This one is what we call a divergence. Can you see this? So divergence, deep, what do you call that? Explanation with that. It is available in my premium. Okay, I have divergence, RSI, strategy on how to trade RSI. Also, it's there. Yeah. So this one is divergence, and particularly bearish divergence. So let me count everything down right here. Okay, let me write it here. So first off, we are seeing some, I know, weakness from weekly time frame, okay, weekly, all the way till day one. Day one actually already, dropped. So in terms of the strength, okay. So Aaron in TikTok is asking, "Mom, is it true that XRP might pump again?" Let's watch the chart later. Then we can see if it will. Say it. So again, number one, weakness. Number two, we are moving in a pattern. So or consolidation ba. We are in a consolidation mode. Soon enough, Bitcoin possibly will have obviously a breakout. So this breakout is what we are going to be, or what we need to anticipate. Sige? And that breakout is gonna be big. Let me tell you, we have been consolidating this whole pattern that you see for almost a month now. Almost a month. We started from June 23, okay, last week of June, and now we're almost, July 16. So a couple of days left. So almost a month. So when this one breaks out, it will be quick, it will be huge. Can you see this one right here? This has been consolidating since May. Can you see May? All the way till June. And let me tell you, that is almost a month. Can you see? Right here. Okay? 33 days. And when it broke out, it will be quick and fast. So be ready, guys. Okay? Be ready for that one. And I have mentioned it before. Expect last week of July for it to happen last week, around on the line of two, like around 20s, around there. Okay. So pattern breakout. Next thing that confirms our data in here is that we're seeing what? We're seeing bearish, divergence. Okay? So now we have all of this. By the way, for those who are in TikTok, guys, I am live in you. This is in YouTube, okay? Mayari Capital. If you want to see the full screen, all right. So again, this is divergence, relatively bearish, and if we'll talk about the candles only, this one supposedly it was a really good, a positive type of pump, but being followed by a bearish candle next to that, that screams bearish. I have discussed this. I have taught this in my crash course. The candlesticks, what they mean and all. So this one is fairly bearish. So with that said, expect some bearish movements with bitcoins. Okay, so on 12 hour, let's see. Okay, let me move this one right here. And let's change the color. I like it like white and small only. Yeah. Okay, so so 4 hour, it cannot go up right here. Can you see this, guys? Since yesterday, July 15th, we cannot go higher than 30,300. 30,300. This is a 30,300 level, So, mhm, okay. All right, so again, 30,300, we have not been moving. Later, I will explain on the lower time frame. I'm seeing some second leg drop. And when we break this 30,300, possibly it's going to go a little bit up, all the way till here, like 30,800, like all the way till there. I'll explain on the lower time frame later so you guys can see. It's just that on the higher time frame, even at this position, I can see it now. So if you guys are asking, oh, how can she see that? Um, Experience, guys. Yeah, time. So that's why if you're learning how to trade, expose yourself more on the chart. Uh, that's one thing, main thing that I can recommend. Okay, so we have in here 1 2 3 4 5 ABC 1 2 3 4 5. This is a really really long type of flat. If we'll talk about flat, so A B C D E, 1 ABC B ABC D E, ABCD 1 2 3. Okay, so we have one with the subwaves, 2 3 4. Ah, funny. Okay, let me see. Hmm. Let me make this one little bit, bigger. Primary. Okay. So 1 2 3 4 5. Yes. C. Huh. Okay. So E. Let me see some. This is the 4 hour, guys. Okay. It's good that we have the count. Okay, that's good to be honest with Bitcoin and what's happening with Bitcoin now. We might get some, what do you call that? We might get some pump, um, bounce to the upside, but I'm not gonna be like saying like, or personally my trade to be aiming like so high, like breaking, highs like that. Not yet. Okay, not yet, because still we are in the consolidation inside the consolidation. So, Miss Mayari, do you trade forex as well? I used to do, but I do not now. I want to learn Elite Wave theory too. I teach Elite Wave in my private students because they are pretty complex type of strategy, and they need tawag dito, proper guidance ba, because in a sense it can be subjective but not too subjective, because they have rules yung Elliott wave. You just need to train your eyes how to spot those cycles, those waves, and that's what I teach with my privates. So does Elliott works sa forex as well po? Definitely it works. To be honest, forex was made for traditional markets before, stocks, yeah, especially stocks. But yes, forex also you can use it. So what more complex ICT or harmonic or is it? Um, I do not, Anthony. I don't trade ICT. I don't. I tried learning harmonic, but sure, it might have worked with someone, but it's not for me. But Elite Wave, very interesting. So that's why I have mastered Elite Wave. So why did you choose trading in crypto and leave forex? So DJ was asking in TikTok. Um, that was the time. That was like around 2016. And 2017 was when the Bitcoin went all the way till 19K. Diba? I remember that. And that was the time when I got into crypto. Like from there on, I got hooked to crypto, you can say. And yeah, from there on, I just like followed crypto by then. I left Forex. One thing that I don't like with Forex kasi is the calculation of the lots, like one lot, two lots, five lots, 10 lots, right? And all of this tawag dun, ang mga the requirements that you have to submit to have a forex account, forex trading account, get a broker, and then sometimes that broker, I'm not quite sure if you guys have this problem. I used to um, once I joined a forex broker that was a scam. Was a scam. So money gone. So and then, but what I like with that type of trading is the charts. The forex, the metaphor, yung MT4, I really like the chart. But the trading is not, the forex trading. One thing with forex also, it got easy in a sense that you just have to wait for the London time, the New York time market opening. Yeah, and that's the thing. You can only be, trading by that. But yeah, for me, I got so interested with crypto the moment, that 2017 market pump happened. And since then, I have been trading crypto since then. Biggest loss in crypto without risk management. Miss Mayari or Irvin in TikTok is asking. I have answered this yesterday, to be honest. So I'm not gonna say without risk management. By the time I already have my trading plan, all of everything was planned. The one thing that went wrong in there was me not putting stop loss. In a sense that I know it already broke, but the emotion got to me. I followed my emotion, so you can say I traded with emotion. So I was like, nah, it's gonna go back. I was wrong. So with that, there's a risk management. It was just the execution on my part. I got greedy, emotional, like that. So I took $100. No, no, 100,000 peso loss on the trade. One lesson, guys. One lesson. I paid 100,000. Since then, it always reminds me, not to do that mistake again. It costed me 100,000 pesos, like $2,000. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So you earn big time in crypto than in forex. By my trading career, ha, I did. But in forex, you can earn big time naman. But you just have to have a big margin. That's the thing. As far as I remember, you have to have a big margin and play it by the leverage, by the lot size, micro. Di ba? Micro, macro yun. I forgot now. It's been years, guys, since I did forex. So what's your trading system to execute a trade, mom? I have a lot. Not like a lot, but like right here, right now. What we just did. Can you see this? This one is tawag dito, like my checklist ba? Some of my checklist before I execute a trade. So in that sense, this one is just one of my strategy. I also have some other strategies. Wait lang guys, because I'm seeing this one knocking at the resistance like it's about to break. This one. Okay? So, pwede mag-long BTC? Yeah, yeah, just wait, just wait. So, okay, let me move this one right here. This one is the higher time frame, long-term vision. Now let's talk about the day trading approach. So like I have mentioned, there's a possible bounce to the upside right now. That's going to happen with Bitcoin. So let's open the 1 hour. Right now for my private students, hello. I'm sure you guys are familiar with this pattern, and I have taught this one before with you guys. So we have the flash down. Can you see? We have the flash dump, some consolidation, and then some second leg right here. So in that sense, supposedly, you guys know that second leg should have been the entry, right? And wait lang, wait lang. Okay, so right here, we have some resistance over here. Okay, so lower time frame, I want to see the 1 hour. 1 hour is in a good position to strike up. 30 minutes, yes, it's building up. Momentum is there, it's building up. 15, 10 minutes. 1, 2, let me see. 1, 2. Okay. Yeah. Just some moment. 1, 2. So Freya, how to be your student po? Message me in my Instagram, Mayari Capital right here, or you can message me here in TikTok. Okay, I reply, guys. For those who are in TikTok, I reply on private messages. Yeah. Okay, it's breaking breaking out. Yeah, but it's supposed to be happening right here since we have the second leg down. Let me see YouTube if okay. Alright. Hello, Zia. Yes, just got home. Okay, pahinga muna, yeah? Okay, just got home. Alright, so silver bullet Judas playing. I'm not quite sure what Kenneth means by that. Yeah, so are you going to live every day? I try to. Yesterday I did live also. It's just that last few days, actually a week na, I wasn't able to do live for the last, consecutive 3 days back then because I was sick. And at the same time, the weather was bad. My internet connection is also, is also bad. So, but since everything is fine today, that's why, you guys are, I'm here right now. Hello, Aaron. Hello, Aaron. Okay, so, all right, so we have this one is a resistance. Yes, you guys can see. And I want to see some strength if we have some possible openings. So I'm seeing on the lower time frame, there's a possible move down muna for Bitcoin. That can be our entry, but I guess it will be quick. Okay, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, guys. This is pretty choppy. And rightly so. You guys can see that. Everything is pretty choppy, can you see? But yes, let me draw my trend line one. Let me make this one big so everyone can see that. Right here also. So, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, Okay, I miss my EMA. Wait lang guys, I want to add my EMA. Uh-huh. Mhm. I like using this one. Oops. Eto. So, I only have to do it like once like this. Oops. Yeah. So, for those who are asking, I trade by 20, 55, 100, 200. So, Miss, what is EMA? Okay. So, for those newbies, welcome to trading. This one is what we call the EMA, or exponential moving average. So moving average, para siyang ano ha, para siyang lines. It's like a lines that are similar to a rubber band. You know how a rubber band's like yeah, it will be flexible. It snaps, right? So with that said, mhm, just a moment. Okay, so yeah, with that said, EMA is like a rubber band. So the remember this line: the farther, okay, the farther the the candles go far from the from the EMA line, the quicker it will snap back. Parang ganyan. Can you see? It will snap back. And remember this, it will always snap back. It will always go back on the EMA. It's like a rubber band. Like, how you pull a rubber band, release it, it will come back again. It's like that. EMA are like that. So EMA, they are good for what? They are good for, sorry guys, excuse me. Yeah. So they are good for um, trend trading. So you guys can use this for those who wants to catch some um, moment. What was the word for that? A trend trading approach. You can use EMA. They are really good for it. Okay, so right now on the 5 minute chart, we can see that Bitcoin right here, we already have the crossover earlier, 3 p.m., almost like 4 p.m. this afternoon. Yes, we have the 4 p.m., and then we have been, riding this. So, like I said, there's a possible move down, Muna. Let's see the lower time frame. I need to see the strength, but the thing is, it's fairly choppy. And so far, uh, every time, can you see this? This is a 1 minute chart, and every time we touch the yellow line, can you see this yellow line? We always get a bounce, and that's a lot, guys. Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, what's our conclusion with this? The yellow line, this one, by the way, the yellow line is the 100 EMA. So if you want to learn more, by the way, guys, if you want to learn more about EMA, like full knowledge, deep knowledge on it, I have that on my premium also. I have the lesson for that. Sige? So you can just check it out. Okay, that's in my premium. Okay, so um we have again yellow, so we can expect Bitcoin if we go down right around this area. Let me do a alert, so trading view will notify us if the price of Bitcoin is around this time, then we can execute some trade to the upside, meaning like this, something like that. Okay, stop loss right here. So stop loss is really good. It's very small, like around 0.13%. So for those who are, confused by that, again, this lesson also is in my premium. It's in the risk management section. I also have the calculator in there. Yeah. And yeah, you can check it out in my premium. So yeah. So yeah, so 0.13, even if I do a 10x, let me tell you, leverage 10x, That's just going to be like negative 1% of my account. So with that said, that's a good scalping risk now. It's a good scalping risk. And at the same time, this the potential with this scalping, I know this scalping trade is high, meaning I can turn it into a day trade type of approach. Why? In the higher time frame, even at the 15-minute lang, okay, I can aim till hero. Can you see this white line? You can aim till there on that day trading type of approach. And all the way till there, your profit, let's assume around here, that is a um 2.5 is to 1 RR. May template po ba kayo? Trading journal sa premium. So Mark Amigo is asking if I have a template for trading journal and premium. Yes, I do have. I do have. Like I said, premium is a complete, but kumbaga, you can say if you are if you are starting your trading journey, I have started my premium subscription or membership for that very reason. Not for signal, but to teach people how to trade. Okay, even if you don't know anything, it's complete in there. So how to join? How to join. Um, if you open my TikTok account right now, there's a link in there and it will lead you to my Discord. Yeah, there's a Discord link in there. Or the shortcut is you can message me in my Instagram, Mayari Capital. Okay, I'll send you the link, the exact link right away. And you can, message me or ask me any question regarding on it in my Instagram. Okay, Mayari Capital. All right, so let's check our comments muna. Okay, those guys from YouTube, hello. Haha. So always present if this will be everyday ate. Yeah, yeah, for sure. I actually like doing live now, to be honest, guys. Yeah, yeah. You guys can see that. I always like talking, sharing my personal knowledge, experiences, anything that can help, other traders out. I like that. So Miss, when is the continuation of the free lesson? If I'm not mistaken, the next upper was SNR. That's right, Lynch. Yeah. So the problem is this: every morning, guys, it's really what's the word for that? It's like sometimes I'll wake up, there will be no electricity, and you know, in that sense, because of the heavy rains in my area, and one thing can also be a weak internet connection, and I do not like to give lessons, especially yung mga lessons that have some really good knowledge, or I feel that so much you guys can get so much into it. I do not like discussing them in a weak connection, so I would rather postpone it. It has happened already before. I guess that was in my crash course. It was a really good topic, but I was getting cut off due to weak connection. So we have to postpone that. So I will announce it for those who are in TikTok. Yes, we still have some remaining parts on the free trading lesson, and it is live around 9 a.m., in morning. I will announce it in my Discord. I also announce it in my Instagram. I also announce it in Telegram. So, okay, I will announce it. And yes, the next topic is going to be support and resistance. Sige. Hi, ma'am. Sa premium subscription po ba may mga live Zoom or live meeting? No, I have it this one na, like combined. So what you get in the premium is the full lesson, basic to advanced, okay, and then the community. So right here, ma'am, can you analyze Litecoin next? Yeah, for sure. Okay, I'll have it next right here. Okay, so let me write that down. So I won't forget. Mhm. Oh, it's already in here. So let me remove that on the request. Okay, done. We can talk about that. So okay, again, if you guys have any charts that you want to be discussed, okay, or request, I do accept. Okay, maximum like two or three charts. Sige? So yeah, again, the risk management, guys, it comes with the calculator, and that calculator, this one, this guy is my private student. He is my private student. So he have access on everything. By the way, guys, if you are a private student, you get a lifetime access on my premium. Lifetime access on my premium. So, okay, so yeah, that calculator for the risk management, yeah, is magical in deciding my trading size. That is absolutely the reason for it. And let me tell you, the moment I started, making my own calculator, deciding, my own position size when I trade, that is when I started profiting in crypto. I'm not kidding. Even this guy is literally saying right now, okay? Is saying right now. That calculator has helped me to be profitable. It literally changed. I can tell you 80% of my trading game, that calculator, and it is in my premium in the drive. Sige. So, especially when scalping, that's true because I have made that calculator specifically for scalping. Why? As a If we'll talk about swing, diba? Swing is a long-term type of trading. So long-term type of trading, we can take our time, right? We can calculate, we can get like, what was the word for that? Like pen and paper. We can write everything. We can plan. We have time. But when it comes to day trading, okay? Day trading na ha, sometimes, especially yung scalping, I have trades, guys, that I have mentioned this before. I cannot give my scalping as a signal. I cannot because it will literally happen right in front of me right now in 3 seconds, or like in like 30 seconds. Okay, we're getting that. All right, so okay, for those, let me see how the candles are going. Okay, I will wait the 10 minutes. I don't like the 10 minutes I know position right here. So let me see the lower time frame. So I guess this one is gonna go deeper. Okay, it's gonna go deeper. So we'll wait for that. But yes, we're getting some rejection. On the higher time frame, 2 minutes, not yet. So I want all of this to be forming first, that gaining strength momentum to the upside. Currently the formation of it is moving to the downside. So let's wait. I'm not gonna enter yet. Yeah, let's wait. So 10 minutes, especially 15 minutes is on that, on that, yeah, especially this one. My private students, those who knows what this means, and you know, slide down is possible right now, especially if the 10 minutes is gonna close like that. Yeah, yeah. Sige. So there's some bounce right at that yellow. Okay, lower time frame yan. And again, we have been, getting some support on the lower time frame right there. But I wanna base this off out of the strength muna. Sige? Out of the strength, on the higher time frame, base of the higher time frame, we have some movements more to the downside. So can we short for scalping? That is up to you. Okay, you can check it out. All right. So where was that? Yeah, again, so the calculator, guys, that is in my premium in the risk management lesson. It is specifically made for scalping. Again, scalping, can you see that? It's quick. So I have that calculator wherein like you just like type in the data that you need, very small data only, and then it will calculate everything that you need to be putting in semi futures, more in your futures trading. Okay, I have to put in this much leverage only. I have to put in this much margin only. Yeah. So I think it's a must for everyone. That's true. Okay. So someone is asking, Puro foreigners po private students nyo. Okay, let me count so far, ha. Like, all of the private students that I had. Um, so far, I have almost like six international, almost running like seven international private students, and around like four, five or six, Filipino students. Yeah, five or six Filipino students. So I have some others pa. I just forgot. Yeah. So how much is the private lesson? Yeah, Kamuna is asking. Do message me in my Instagram, okay? Right here, okay? Mayari Capital. All right. Do message me. All right. We'll talk about it. Sige, so yeah, so Ati Mayari, where can I find that EMA indicator? What's the script name po? Yeah, so this one is a ano siya, four na EMA in just one indicator. I like that because it's so, what's the word for that? Um, it's organized ba? Kumbaga, it's organized. So you can just like type in four, literal number four, and then EMA. Yeah, you can check what works for you in there. But this one, I guess it's the second EMA that I used. Again, four. Ito ha, four EMA. Yeah, the treasury. This one, the treasury. Okay, that's what I'm currently using right now. All right, so and XRP din po. Okay, so let's add XRP right here. XRP USDT.P. Oh, it's already added. So I guess it's in my consolidation. Let me drag that down. Okay, now it is in the request. For those who have any requested chart, let me know. Okay? We will chart them, later. Mm-hmm. Okay, so Ocean also. Sige then, let's chart Ocean. It's already in my consolidation because, I'm accumulating Ocean. I have been accumulating Ocean since the last bull run. You know, Ocean is a really good project. You guys can watch, a, what's the word for that? Research, Diorba. Do your own research on Ocean if you want to. Madam Miraya? Who is Miraya? Yeah, so Kong V Dump, someone is asking. He's asking for Sol chart. Sige, we can have Sol. Okay, I guess that's the maximum for tonight, yeah. Sol USDT. That P. All right. By the way, my name, guys, is Mayari. Okay? My name is Mayari. So, can we see a demo of the calculator? For sure, we can have. Sige. So, yeah, I agree. I used to have such random leverage or margin before I started the calculator. Yeah, so like I have said earlier, the trading calculator, the risk calculator that I have made will give you precise, systematic yan, guys. Everything. It will make your trading so easier, I can say. So now when I think back, my trades were more of me gambling and not trading. That's true. You have one thing, guys, that for those who are starting out or new into trading, I don't want you to fall into that pattern wherein like you think that you are trading, but to be honest, is it really trading or more of gambling? Yeah. So when we talk miss, so how can you say like I'm doing gambling na instead of trading? So one thing is when you enter the trade without a trading plan. That's one thing. You enter the trade based of someone saying it. I mean that is fine, especially if someone has the experience and the knowledge over it. But I always say this, even with my privates, that even though I do my signal out in premium, I want you to be studying that. So If someone says it, okay, doesn't mean that, oh, that's a perfect, um, ano na, trading na, right? Like that. So you have to be mindful for that. Sige. Next thing is this: entering the trade with full margin. Let's say you have like $300 in your futures account, you put in full $300, and then you also do 50 leverage on it. Anyone in here, especially on TikTok, let me know, guys, did you do high leverage, 50x, 100x, or let's say 25x, 30x, anything above 20x? Have you done that? And let me ask you, yes, the profit, every time it goes in profit, diba, it's so big. Yeah, you get so happy. But at the same time, if it goes down, it's also big. Right? And sometimes it can get you liquidated. Has that happened with you before? Let me know. Yakamuna was like, yes, I'm so sorry. That's fine. Yeah. DJ was like, always. So again, now I'm sharing some of my knowledge. If you want some deep lesson with all of these guys, it's in my premium. And soon enough, I will be opening my crash course again. Soon enough. And I will announce that, my crash course. Okay, Kong V was like guilty. And it's fine. It's good that you guys are acknowledging it. Okay? You guys are owning it. It's good. Now that you know your mistake, what can we do about it? We can correct it. That's the thing. We have the power. Yeah, we have the power to improve that. Yes. So those are some stuff that you can, determine if are you gambling or are you trading. Okay. So seaweed, hello. Why are you late? Charot. Yeah. But welcome, welcome. All right. So I'll just catch this one na lang, yung mga late na request, yung FLM, BNB. So yeah, sure, we can do. Um, Carl in TikTok is like, sorry, I'm late, ma'am. It's fine, it's fine. If you want to watch the whole video of this, you want to gain some knowledge, Carl, I have mentioned a lot. So you can watch it in my, or you can check my YouTube. Sige, it's in under the live crypto analysis July 16 today. Okay? Today. So you can watch that. Okay. So yeah, so many times when I was starting out, okay, when I started out, I guess this is the time when, I know how's uh, Kadu, yeah, Kadu was trading before we started the private mentorship, and let me tell you guys, um, he have improved in a really big way. This guy have improved in a really big way. Let me tell you. He'll be scalping. I forgot what's his he have like daily target when he trades. That I remember, but I don't remember the amount. Yeah, but he mostly hits them. He trades really good now. So yeah, all in margin, max level. How did it went, Lynch? Now I do use 100x leverage also, but at times that's because I have a plan in place. And once again, it's because of that calculator. I do trust, what he is saying. So you can edit that, to be honest. You can do 100x leverage. Again, you can do that with the calculator that I personally have made. So okay. So yeah, there you go. He said 1 to 2% daily gain of his portfolio. So if he's doing like If his portfolio is like, let's say $1,000, a gain of daily like $20, or like, let's say, yeah, $20, $10, that's good. And we have talked about that. I've mentioned it to him. As long as you're profitable, the main thing, okay, let me tell you, the main thing in trading is not about the money. Yes, you see me gaining like $300, $500, $600, sometimes 70, 50, as low as 50, right? You guys will be seeing that in my TikTok right now, um, on the short videos. But I do not mind that. To be honest, guys, I do not think of the dollar. It's more of how much is my portfolio is growing. And this guy knows that. He knows that. So high margin, low leverage, low margin, high leverage seems good for me. Yeah, that's good. So we're getting some bounce on the right at the trend line. Sige, so 3 minutes is looking good. 1 minute. Okay, that's good. So we can enter some trade right at this point, right here, yan. So, miss, where's the stop loss? Stop loss, you can place it the same way. Again, guys, for those who are in TikTok, if you want to see this full with numbers and everything, it is in live. So again, this is quick. It's good that it's in live because I cannot give this out in premium as a signal. So right now, okay, so for those who have managed to enter this, yeah, that's gonna spike up. Guys, I want you to be securing some profits right at this area, right here. What level is this? That is around 30,327. It's either you um, take your profits out, some small profits, but the main thing that I want you to be doing is this: moving your stop loss at entry. When we hit this level, when we hit this, I want you to be moving your stop loss at entry. Why? We're gonna let this trade run because when this one breaks this one out, we have the potential to go all the way till hero, all the way till 30,600, to be honest. 30,600. Sige? So, yeah, that was quick. That's the thing, guys. And I have not executed it because I am in live. But when I scalp this, that is how quick it is. Yeah, now you guys can literally see how quick I, execute some trade. So I hope you guys now understand why my scalping trades, I cannot give it out as a signal. Yeah. All right. So do we have some questions in TikTok? Gaano katagal na pong student si Singha? So, Kadu, someone is asking, how long has it been since, we started your private, right? How long? Almost a year now, right? Almost a year. So, uh-huh. Sige. Okay, I guess it's yeah, someone was asking, right? How they want to see the calculator. Where was that? So demo for the calculator. All right, we can do that. So just let me pull it up. Okay. So just a moment, guys. Okay, for those who are in TikTok, just give me a moment. Let me. Okay, where is this one? Hmm. So wait, just a moment. Why this one is not working? All right. Anyways. Uh-huh. Just a moment, guys. Yeah, I guess that's fine. Okay, so this one, ano siya, it's an example of my trading journal. And yeah, you guys can see this in my, um, what's the word for that? In my premium. Yeah. And yes, so for the calculator, okay, calculator, let me open that. Mhm. Yeah, Mayari calculator. Okay, it is here. Second. So can you see this one? So again, this one is in my premium. Okay, it is in my premium. So you'll get this one. You'll get this full on with explanation, guys, how to use it. So I have put in everything. You will understand this calculator, all of this margin, yeah, account size, how much you should be putting in, possible profit, possible loss. Yeah, again, I said that calculator is designed for scalping and designed for possible day trading. Um, yeah, the moment you put in all data that you need, you will be able to see your profit, your possible loss also. All of this will be uh, discussed in the risk management um, in my premium. Okay, so someone is asking, "Hi Mayari, do you remember Gat, Malo, and Ray?" Absolutely. Malo, Gat, and Ray, they are like, what do you call this? They were the guys that was, in my premium the moment I started it. Not the premium, but the Discord community. Those are the OG guys. And let me tell you, especially God, yeah, he's trading on his own. I'm not quite sure. I have not heard any updates with Malo and Ray, but yes, I do remember them. I do remember. And yeah, soon enough for sure. During bull market, we will have that gathering. Hopefully. I kind of miss those guys. So they're all your students. Yes, they are my students. They are in premium. Back then, during Discord premium, during bull market, I used to do this teaching sa Zoom pa. I used to be doing trading lessons in Zoom. So, Malo, Gat, Ray, they will be there. A lot of them, to be honest, guys. I miss those guys, to be honest. I miss them. What's the word for that? We were so maingay back then. Like, so noisy, kumbaga. Yeah? So, ano hinahanap sa market, bro? Okay. So someone is asking, any advice on putting TP and stop loss? What shall I advise on that? Because TP and stop loss, that is a broad question. There's a lot of elements that we need to consider when we do take profit and stop loss. But yeah, that is all details that you'll be needing. It is in that one thing is in the risk management lesson, which is in my premium, and the other topics on price action will be discussing that. So, mhm. Okay, someone is asking, when scalping, how do you put the position that fast in Binance? I do market execute sometimes, okay? Sometimes I do market execute. I think Ray was the only guy who is active now. Really? I have not seen him. I have not seen him. But God, yeah, God, I have personal connection with God after, knowing him now. Is leverage po auto-calculated sa calculator nyo po? Yes, that calculator, everything is auto-calculated already. You just have to put in the data, the details that you need. Then, You know, everything will be calculated. Why everyone is asking like half ano po kayo? What do you mean? I'm full human, guys. Okay? I'm not like half what? Oh, what? Ano? Half unicorn? Ano ba? Ethereum USDT percent growth. How old are you po? Dami niyo pong alam eh. Someone is asking how old I am. I don't know, just do the math. I already mentioned, earlier. Opo, Tagalog po ako. Yes. Ano pong trading strategy niyo? That is a broad way to, to I mean, yeah, that's broad to answer. But main thing, I'll just like say scalping. Okay, trading strategy. And no, if you're asking, are you doing SMC? Are you doing ICT? Those are the famous. I don't know how. I don't know how, but those are the famous question that I get if I trade SMC, ICT. No, I do not. Again, I trade by price action. So if I have a trading strategy, they're just one of a few strategies that I personally have. Okay, so all of them are based off price action. All right. Yaka muna. Oh, why are you asking that? Sige. Anyway, so um uh, why do you have to ask that? Right? Yaka muna and argue. Are you guys one ba? Red ka na po. No, I'm not yet married. I am not not yet married. Uh-huh. Maybe dahil sa accent mo ate, suting yung voice mo kasi. Well, thank you for that. Kahit may sakit, no, you guys still feel that. Uh, okay, so, bata pa siguro. Yes, of course, bata pa po ako. Hand reveal yan sa Insta or TikTok ba yan? Yeah. So, is it okay to combine SMC and RSI? I personally cannot answer that because I have not traded SMC. I mean, I have tried to study it. I have some knowledge over it, but I have not used it in, you know, uh, that much that I can tell you or I have the capability to tell you any knowledge about it. That's the thing. I only share the knowledge that I personally, you know, is doing and have deep knowledge on it. That I will share to you. But regarding on SMC, I have said that before, guys. I know it, theories and all, but I have not traded it. I have traded it a couple of times, but not enough for me to tell you if all of this to answer this kind of question. But ask me about I can tell you about that. Yeah. Yeah. Soon you'll be getting marriage proposals. Um, what to do? To be honest, yeah, yeah, not yet, bro. So, all right, pwede na pumila, baka yeah, baka makalibre. Grabe naman, guys, ha. So I guess in terms of premium, that's a funny way to say that because now I'm thinking, especially those. I remember I mentioned in TikTok. For those who are in TikTok, guys, I mentioned that those who have sent me some gift, I have it. I have screenshot it, so I know who you are, and I will be doing some giveaways, and one of that for sure will be me giving premium out for you. Okay, for those who have sent me again some gift in TikTok, thank you. And those who are in YouTube, of course, you guys who are in here will also get that. So let's give let's I'll give it out soon. Okay, we'll have some giveaway, premium giveaway for everyone. So you guys can learn. You will get the lesson in the Google Drive. Okay, you can study. All right, so May lahi po ba kayo? Lahi ko po ay Pilipino. Full-blooded Filipino po. Let me guess, are you 29? Bro, that's too high naman. That's no, I'm not 29 po. Do you trade shitcoin, ma'am? I used to trade when we were in bull market. I used to trade shitcoin, and let me tell you, shitcoin, it's one of those experiences or trading journeys that have moved or push or expand my um portfolio huge. I remember one shitcoin. I have mentioned this one before. I invested on a shitcoin $3,000. It was 9 p.m. that night. I will never forget this time. I will never forget this experience. I'm sure, guys, for those who are, just starting out trading or into trading now, you have that certain trades, diba, that you will never forget. You will never forget the trade. And it is one of those trades. And it is a shitcoin trade. I bought $3,000 worth of that shitcoin. And I woke up, let me tell you, 7 a.m. I woke up with around 23, more than $20,000 in my account. That is a shitcoin. That was back then when shitcoin was high. But now, do I trade shitcoin? No, I do not. It is not yet time to trade shitcoin. Perhaps, when the bull market, to be honest, the shitcoin, they only existed 2020 bull market. 2020 bull market. So, these NFTs, right? One of them, NFTs, DeFi, some utility coins, MetaMask, Uniswap, this type of trading, they existed during where 2020. So next bull market, am I gonna be trading the shitcoin? Perhaps, um, but let me tell you, there will be a new stuff that will come out during every bull market. There's a new stuff that will come out, so we don't know what is that. Like last year, 2020, Axie, diba? Axie. Who remembers Axie? Right? Axie. I remember it was around June before it, blows up. Around June, that bull market, I told my friends, my non crypto friends, but gaming friends. These are the guys, my high school friends who plays Dota, who have this really nice not trading, computer setup. So I'm like, these are suited for them. It's just me, I like helping people. So I was like, oh, there's a new game, a growing game right now in the crypto community, which is called Axie, and I recommend you to you know to do that. It requires a very small very small amount of investment. Back then, it was just 5,000. You can buy you can buy that what's the word for that? I like pet. Is it pet? Yeah, but anyways, yeah, that was it. So, but they didn't listen. That was June, huh? It was not yet that big. So yeah, so guys was like, my 40 access pa ako. Can we like go back on the past? Yeah, because Axie now, okay, for those who are new into crypto, our Axie now is down. Yeah, but during that time, guys, Axie time was really huge. I have seen many people turn into millionaires. I have seen that. So during the June time, I was so big on researching it during crypto. So I told them, please buy Axie and play it instead of playing Dota. I mean, no hate. I play Dota. I like Dota. But, in that sense, it's like helping them also, Like, you just have to do this, bro. You just have to do that. And then, you'll be earning money at the same time. They didn't listen. So around July, okay, I remember all the date stamps, the date stamps. So around July, it boomed. TikTok everywhere, everywhere, guys. Axie, 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 Axie. Miss Pascolar, Miss Pascolar, Miss. Yeah, I remember that scholar, right? Then my friends came to me, bro, how do you do this, Axie? Paturo. Now they're interested. I'm like, and that time it's a little bit more expensive. Now, I remember one Axie can go like, ano lang ha, can go like 50,000 peso, right? uh, one axis can go 50, correct me if I'm wrong, especially those high levels. So you know yeah, but anyways, some of them still caught on into Axie. Like they have gained some, some money profits naman. But by June, it was around June, no, January, correct me if I'm wrong, around January, diba? Axie went down. SLP, the value went down. And ever since, it has not yet recovered, correct? So this guy aren't getting my 40 access pa ako. So, what's the word for that? I do hope, I pray for you that, Axie will boom again next bull run. And yeah. 30,000, 300,000 peso he gave out in, I mean, he invested into to Axie. Yeah, I remember that. There were teams that cost millions. I remember that back then. But then, if you are asking me, so Miss, did you do Axie? No, I have not done Axie because I was so caught up with trading. I don't have time, guys. Those who are with me during the bull market, during that season, because I'm awake till 4 a.m. 4 a.m. Everyone in Discord will be awake with me also. We'll be trading till 4 a.m. The routine back then, it's not good for health. I can tell you that. So during this time, that's why I'm getting some good sleep. When the bull market will come, guys, let me tell you, it's not gonna be, so for those who are telling that, oh, the moment bull market happens or bull market will come, Miss Mayari is gonna go travel. No, it's the opposite. It's the opposite. So yeah, okay, so dalawa po yung account nyo sa IG. Sino po yung tunay? The one that has around, let me check, around 700 follower. No, no, 1,000 pala. 1,040 follower. Okay? Yeah. So, dapat talaga na maging mentor ko si ma'am. Ngayon nalaman ko na Dota gamer din pala. Yes po, I was a Dota gamer back in my college and high school days. Sino kayo niya, Si Bara ba yun? Yeah, one was Bara, and then who's the other one? Yung Pana, nakakalimutan ko yung name niya. I really forgot na. But yeah, the one with the hood, yung Archer. Yeah. So, thought about Doji and Elon Musk, got scammed by that bro. uh, to be honest, Doge, it was not, during, I remember 2020, October, around those months, it was at a really low um, price. But I personally wanted to buy some Doge or Dodge out of cuteness. Diba? It's cute like Dodge. It's just it got hyped up by Elon Musk. So remember this lesson now, like like Zia. When there is a hype coin, especially that it is not a utility coin, meaning it doesn't have purpose ba? You cannot utilize it. It doesn't have real world purpose. Like ocean. Ocean has a real purpose. It's by the data, getting our internet data safe. Yung Dodge naman, it doesn't have. It's by the hype. So, um, if you are gonna be trading that, guys, when the bull market comes, I do not recommend you to be holding it long term because that can like spike up so quickly, drop so quickly also. So you just have to be quick in and out in that. Sige? So, si ma'am talaga. Sana mas maaga ko pa siya na-discover. Well, now you're here. Yeah. So I'll try to help you. Yes, Drasex and Baratium. Yeah. Opo, Dota 1. I was still in Dota 1. I remember when I was in elementary, back then CS yon, Counter Strike. Every lunch yan, guys. And not skip, okay, not skip, but it was not allowed for us to get out of school during lunchtime. But yeah, we do get some ways how to do so. Yeah, we spend like 30 minutes at com shop. That was the time, right, when con shop was like so big. And yeah, one thing that I played back then was CS. Yeah, and I like doing snipes. Jun sa may tulay. Yeah, so, mhm. May link po sa baba nitong video, iwas scammer po. That's right. So yeah, for those who wants to be, um, directed to my official talaga, my real accounts, there is a link down below in the description. Okay? So how about waves? Good to hold ba? If you're asking me long term, yes. Yes. Waves has utility. It's a utility coin. It has purpose. Nagkakating ka pala, ma'am. Ah, not so, I guess like once or twice lang, guys. Okay? After 30 minutes of lunch, after 30 minutes lunchtime, bumabalik po ako. Afternoon classes. Afternoon classes, I come back. Sige? So, someone is asking, anong system po gamit nyo sa trading? What's my system that I use in trading? How shall I answer this? I have answered this many times, but yes, my system again is a price action, pure price action. Like this, I gather data out of the market. I use some confluences. Sige, I use some confluences. And if you're asking, um, my trading system itself is price action. Okay, that's it. Price action. So you graduated college, hindi nyo po pinursu yung degree nyo, nag full-time trader ka na lang po. To be honest, guys, I have 2 degrees. So, first degree, I did the multimedia arts. Okay, multimedia arts major in animation. So that was in Mapua. I'm not quite sure if anyone in here is from Mapua. Yeah. So I did that. And then after that, I decided to proceed on medicine. So I did medtech. But now I just do full time trading now. Full time. Okay. Uh huh. Okay. So we have a lot of questions. Just a moment, guys. I'll do like quick in here. So someone is asking, nagte-trade kayo ma'am kahit weekends? Do I trade during weekends? When I see a setup. But it's one of my rule before because when I was starting out, I noticed that I always lose during weekends. I lose my trade. I lose some money. So back then I had a rule that I'm not gonna be trading on weekend. I only trade on weekend when it is proper setup. That's it. Mm-hmm. Bakit po tuwing bull market maganda i-trade shitcoin? I'm not saying that, okay, so in English, guys, why during bull market it's good to trade shitcoin? I'm not saying that it is good to trade shitcoin. First of all, do not mistake me of saying that, even though I gain some profits over shitcoin, it is a high risk type of trading, way riskier than, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all, because they can literally pump and then dump right away. Okay, so do not mistake me by saying that. So, answering your question, during bull market, money is overflowing. Okay, everywhere in crypto, overflowing. So, with that said, when there is money, there is movement in the market, and that movement is up. Okay. Uh-huh. So I'm not sure what Joshua James in TikTok is referring to. Why did you stop, po? So can you complete that? You know, why did okay? So why don't you try trading forex, po? Especially that there are funding prop firms. It's not for me now. As you can see, I trade crypto and I'm happy with it. Yeah. So cute naman ang accent mo. Thank you. I'm not quite sure what's with my accent, guys. Why do you ask? Like, if I'm half. I'm full human po. Okay? So, nice you play Dota. Madam, live trade yan. Yes, this is a live trade going on right now, and it's actually really slow. So let me have a quick check, guys. Why is it slow? So, to be honest, I'm expecting it to be, breaking right now. But I'm gonna put an alert in here now because I want. It's just a mental note for me. Like it's like someone saying, at my back, like, oh, your analysis is good. That's fine. It's gonna continue. Parang ganon. So I'm gonna put my alert right here. Now, second alert that I'm gonna putting is right down here. Ito, below this current low. So what will that tell me? Meaning, okay, high alert, weakness is there. Okay, possible. We're gonna break to the downside. Okay, okay. So those are some of my mental notes. So lower time frame, I want to see the strengths. 1 minute, 2 minutes, okay, 3 minute. Uh-huh. Okay, I don't like that. Say just a moment. All right. Okay, so let's just give it a couple of time right here. 1 minute. Okay, might have some another drawdown to the downside. Let's see the 2 minutes. Has some drawdown, but relatively it's gonna, I'm seeing it go high. So let the 1 minute play, then we will be able to conclude what's going to happen. Right now, 3 minutes, yeah, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. 10 minutes is, going down. Yeah, so that is why I'm asking you guys to secure your profits right at the blue zone, like I have mentioned. For those who are in TikTok, this one is in, what's the word for that? It's in YouTube right here, right now. Okay, can you see this? Mayari Capital. Sige? So if you want to see the full data in this area, okay, so again, this is a scalping. We don't aim for the high, we don't aim for big return. By the way, this is a good tawag dito, good risk. It's just 0.10%. Okay, so even if you do like 10x over this is just like 1% of your account. So if you're trading like $100, and then let's do no leverage. Okay, let's just like do like spot so you guys can understand it better. So if you put $100 right now in Bitcoin, you will be gaining, or you will be losing $1 only. That's it, 0.1%. No, just a moment, my bad. Yeah. No, you need a multiplier, guys. I'm sorry. So if you're doing like $100 now, and let's add multiplier like leverage 10x. Okay, leverage 10x. So if that happens, that's gonna be 1%. And with that said, you're gonna be losing how much? $1 only on your $100. $100. Yeah. Okay, so okay, yeah, I guess it's gonna hit that alert. So the pressure from the higher time frame that I have seen right here is really high. Yeah, pressure is really high. Okay, 15 is just starting out. 30 minutes can play, can play, and then can like have a, what's the word for that, continuation. It's in that position, it's in the midline. So 65 minutes. um I'm scanning some questions in TikTok, guys. Hi, Paul. I'm newbie. Can I join your Discord community? Absolutely. My Discord community is very welcoming for newbies. Okay, regarding on, I'm not regarding, okay, I'm in the community, is welcoming. But the main thing is the lessons, the trading lessons in there. Okay, you can start as a newbie. I have lessons from basics to advance. Legit ba nag-DM ka sa Twitter ko, ma'am? Oh, so again, guys, I do not message people first. Okay, I do not ask for your money. Okay, I do not have a trading bot. I am not associated with any exchange program. So if someone claims that, that's not. Sige, I only reply or only message for, for those who are messaging me. Okay, I do not message or DM you first. If you have any question, you can message me. Okay, but yes. Okay, so someone was like, Dota pa din, no? Trasex, Mirana. Mirana, I have not played Mirana. Yeah, but masakit din yan. Yeah, but yes, Trasex. I used to play Trasex. Are you 25? Maybe, maybe. Yeah. So face reveal for mom. I have been in this community, this Discord for past 3 years now, 4 years now. I don't know. Perhaps one day we will have a face reveal. Okay, perhaps one day. Yeah. So, how did you discover trading? How did I discover trading? Um, how can I say this? It was back in. Well, okay, so let's recap. Okay, on back when I was in high school, guys, even when I was in high school, I already know that I am not the type of person who is willing to work or can see, I can see myself working for someone. I know it's a cliche now if you'll hear me speak this because this is so common in Instagram and Twitter everywhere, diba? They're promoting this. But back then, you guys have to be honest, back then, do you guys hear about these sayings? Do you guys hear about these motivations? Do you? Right? Not so much, diba? Back then, it was not that big. But back then, I already know that, working for someone else is not for me. That is, I guess that's one of the reason why that when I proceeded college, right away, I joined a degree that is not working for someone else, that possibly I can be my own, meaning like, multimedia, major in animation. You know, I can do whatever in there. And the multimedia guys degree in Mapua, it was broad. I can go into filming. Yeah, for those, by the way, guys, for those who are in in Mapua, or those who knows that, every time I will be in CCP during festival, film festival. Anyone has heard that in CCP film festival? I will be always there. Um, it will be a big movie during August, yan, around August, July, if I remember. But yes, I can also be a graphic designer. Okay, I used to do game coding also. In my course, some multimedia programming is a part of it. So yes, I did some game coding, web designing, everything, guys. That's why it's multimedia. So in that, it's broad. I have lots of pathway that I can be in graphic design. I already have a plan of like, okay, I'll have my own, graphic, or my own business, kumbaga, my own agency. I was already thinking that way. So back in high school pa lang, I know that. So during high school, I was already searching in YouTube, you know, so what ways to, earn, how can I earn back then? And one thing that caught my eyes was Forex. So what is Forex, diba? So I was just like watching it, all of that. And then also on Instagram, very few posts on Instagram, but yes, there are already some of it in there. And I saw their lifestyle. That's one thing that already caught me. I was so naive back then. Like, oh, you have to trade this, then you'll get a Lambo, then you'll get Ferrari, then you'll get this, you'll get that. They portray trading like it's an easy money. And I am telling you, I myself, it is not. It is a profession, guys. Like how it's a work. It is a work. But the difference is you love it. And I personally, I love it. So yeah, one thing that is how I discovered forex. My relationship with trading back then was not that serious. My relationship with trading was not that serious. Again, in the sense of not serious, wherein I will be following signals lang, right? I will be like, I guess I got serious when I lost all of my account. I liquidated my full account, guys. Then I got serious. And I got connected with other aspiring traders in the Signal group. To be honest, like I said before, we do not have any trading knowledge. In that Signal group, we don't know how to read a chart. Basic candlestick, we do not know how to read it, to be honest. So one guy, uh, he was I guess Arab. I do not remember his name now, but yeah, he messaged me and like he gave me a link that around 4 a.m. Philippine time there is a free live webinar uh, that will be airing sa London pa yon. So I kid you not, guys. 4 a.m. I woke up, I set my alarm, and then I listened to that webinar. And of course, I did not understand a thing. I did not. So, what is this? I was just like that. So I have to study that lady, I'll never forget that. She mentioned about time frames, she mentioned about market openings. So I wrote everything down on my notes. Like, okay, I even have the full bond paper. I wrote down around market opening of London is, this time sa Philippines. So that time in Philippines, I should be in the market or I should be in front of the laptop like that, watching the market. Yeah, so I did not understand, guys. The first webinar lesson that was free pa ha, I did not understand, but I took notes. And for days that I have go over through it, I understand small, and from there, my trading expanded. Yeah, so that is how I discovered trading. So let's see some other. Uh-huh. Mapua Intra, yes, I am a Mapua Intramuros baby. I always go down that underpass every single day. Yeah. And I am amphibian po, pure-blooded amphibian. Yeah, for those who are from Mapua knows that. Okay, so can a full-time trader will make you financially stable? Can a full-time trader, guys, can make you financially stable? Yes, it can. Yeah. I'm telling you that myself. Yes, it can. But I'm not saying it's easy, huh? I have never said that trading is easy. You have to put in your work, effort, everything. So, yeah, I also don't want to work for someone, but I have no choice now. I need to save up. That is, I know, there's nothing wrong with that, Yakamuna. If if I was in your position, I personally would be working for someone else also because you don't have a choice. But at the same time, you work for someone else in order to save up to get out of it, not to work for whole year or your whole lifetime in there. That's still good because yakamuna you have that no you have that um kumbaga the word like back up or like something that will catch you if your trading will fail. In a sense, like you'll get losses, that's fine. Still, you have that monthly income ba. So for those who are starting out trading, who have a job, I do not recommend you guys to to like the moment you trade and like you gain some profits newly, and then, boss, here's my resignation, I'm out. Okay, I do not recommend that. So if ano, if possible, um 6 months into trading that you guys are profitable. And one thing, if you are earning 2 times or 3 times your monthly income, okay, in trading consecutively, or 6 months minimum, you're doing that, then yes, I can say that yes, you can. Yeah, you can do. Yeah, you can, take the risk from there. Uh-huh. So, okay po ba maging Binance merchant? May idea ka po dun, ma'am. What kind of merchant? Is it P2P? To be honest, I do not have. Uh, I have not. I only buy or sometimes sell. Yeah, but I don't, I'm not a Binance merchant. I want to be like you, full-time trader and now financially stable, kaso kulang ata ako sa knowledge. That's fine. Knowledge can be gained. So take your time. If that's your goal to be, full-time trader, financially stable, that is achievable. I have personally achieved it. So why not, why can you not? Right? I don't believe on that. This is not for me like that. If you really want it, guys, put in effort. Like I'm saying, it was not an easy journey for me either. So, what time ka po nagla-live sa TikTok? I do live in TikTok. Today, yesterday, 7:30 p.m. Today was also 7:30 p.m. Okay? So DJ was like far away from a 3x of my monthly salary. That's fine. Yeah, it takes some time, like I said. The only difference is this. So for those who are asking, so Miss, did you? I had some question, personally in my messages. Miss, did you work ba after you graduated and then you started trading? To be honest, guys, I have not worked for anyone since I have graduated, because even when I was doing my degree, I was trading. So during the pandemic, pandemic was the bull market also, remember? So back then, not all, but like everyone was quarantined, everyone was home. There was no job opening, there was nothing like that. It gave me the opportunity to become a full-time trader in crypto. That is why, I am here right now doing full time, and no, I have not worked for anyone. So I don't know how is it like, but sometimes I'll be going in the mall, I'll be, you know, just eating, and then like just roaming around like malls, and then I'll be seeing like some servers. uh Sometimes I feel no, I feel bad in a sense, like I'll be waiting for my order, like my takeouts. I'll be wondering how much do they earn per day, you know like do they earn like 1,000 peso per day? No, for I remember that. I remember thinking that when I was in Mang Inasal. Yes, guys, I eat Mang Inasal, ha. Hindi po ako picky. So yeah, Mang Inasal, I was waiting for my order. And I will be like looking, and like I wonder how much they earn. Is it like 1,000? I really don't have any idea, guys. So, but even then, I wish they have they know that there's a way out of it, to be honest, because in that sense, so when that happens, I every time someone will give me my takeout, I'll give that person tip like 1,000 peso. Yeah, I give those people 1,000 peso. And even when I eat in place, um, clean as you go. No, I do not act like. To be honest, guys, if you'll see me in person, this is not me saying ano ha, but yeah, no one knows I'm Mayari. I guess The only person who have met me personally, personally, was Doji. So anyone knows Doji? Yeah, I gave Doji a gift kasi, you know, I gave Doji a gift. So yeah, I'm typical. I'm just like you guys. Okay, so yeah, I'm not quite sure, guys, how much those guys earn, but let me tell you, there's a way out of that, and if I can help, those people like giving tips lang, I do, I do. Yeah, so give your blessings back in any way, like me right now. The knowledge that I have acquired, it's a blessing, so I gave it out. I share it. If I can answer it as much as I can, I'll answer it. So okay, so what happened with our trade? 30 minutes. That's not good. This is gonna head more down. Yeah. Oh, did we hit stop loss ba? No, it's still running. Yeah, it's still running. Did not hit our stop loss. Stop loss was 253. Yeah. But yeah, so even then, stop loss did not hit. So what I do during this time, listen guys, okay, what I do if this happens is this, especially if I lose this pattern, this pattern, um, do a contingency plan, meaning like lower down your risk. You can exit your trade right now in here now. That's half of your possible risk, or you can exit all the way till here. That's it, because the possibility of it going down is high, especially the higher time frame. It did not hit stop loss. Like I said, if this happens, I close my trade in the middle, or like this. I mean, like it's good. Way lesser risk than me. It's not. I'm not the same before. Like, oh, I'll hope that it's gonna go up, because by the higher time frame, especially the 15 minutes, right now 15 minutes haven't yet closed, but by the strength, I do it by the strength. The strength is to the downside. Can you see that? Yeah. Pagka fake out, no. No, I know I'll fake out when I see one. I know I fake out when I see one. So, 10 minutes down, 5 minutes, okay, 1 minute, like that. Yeah. So, higher time frame, I mean, you can hold if you want. Why? Because I'm looking for entry anyways for a long, but way lower. Okay, way lower. But I'm just saying that if you are scalping, if you are scalping, okay. So those are just some of my techniques lang that I do. All right. So, mhm. Oligarch, may talaga yung boss ni Coach Mar. Well, thank you for that. No one has ever said that to me. But yes, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so I guess it's time for us to see some chart like LTC over here. Um, kay dad ko si Ma'am Mayari, naabutan ng com shop. Yes po, com shop. And back then, since I am a girl, di ba? I am a girl. So, it's not ideal for me to be in a com shop. I remember that. My uncle, back then, he was in a fourth year high school. So, I was still in elementary. Every time, he'll be, after me, go home. You're not for here. I mean, you don't belong here. Ganyan. Di ako pinapayagan mag-com shop noon. So, when I do my com shop, I do it with my classmates. Ganyan si elementary classmates kasama ko. So, and I always make sure that that com shop, my uncle is not in there. Kulit, no? My uncle should not be in there. If I see him in there, ginagawa ko, I open time yan eh, di ba? Open time. So, close muna, yan, tago, and then, alis mo na, labas mo na ng com shop. Yeah. So, Miss, have you heard about PyCon? Yes, I have heard about PyCon. So, if you're asking me if I have traded PyCon, no, I have not traded PyCon, but they have reached out to me during bull market to be one of their ambassador. But I did not accept that. Okay, I did not accept it because it's a little bit shady. It's shady, for me. For those who knew me since the bull market, um, I am so picky on. I'm not your, ano guys I'm not your influencer that just promotes everything, like, oh, this one, that one. Guys, I get hundreds of, what's the word for that? Um, Affiliations, has, like, I guess the one ano that I have entertained was Wube, and I did became their marketing manager sa Philippines, marketing manager. But I gave it out right away. It was not for me because I was handling my Discord. I would rather handle my Discord, than, again, we go back on the not working for someone else. Now, I don't know why, but I cannot. I'd rather work on my community, my people, my students. I'd rather have that. So, yeah. Picoin, no, I have not traded that. And yes, I do not accept affiliation right away. I always read and research about it. If it sounds shady for me, I do not push it out on my members. Okay? Avoid scam. My members, okay, back then my premium are more important to me than, the money that I'll be getting from the affiliation. They'll be offering me, $1,000, 500. Now I'm speaking, I'm releasing it out. Wala naman akong na-sign na ano doon, guys, na, what's the word for that? NDA, non-disclosure, wala. So, one mention on TikTok or what, or video about this, 500, 1,000. I have not. Yeah, because, you know, um, I don't want to promote something that will put my members or others who are following me in risk. What I am sharing is knowledge talaga. So if you want to learn trading, yeah, yeah, you can learn with me. That I will share. Because that I know it will, help you guys rather than all of this. So, um, Mom, did you consider studying business course? That's funny because my grandma, she was like, in all of my degree that I have studied, I have not worked any, of it. So to be honest, now I'm thinking I should have done business, but I am thinking to pursue business. And probably sa Mapua din again sa digital. Yeah. This is not a promotion of Mapua, guys, but they have online college, the Mapua Digital College. And yes, it's a real bachelor science, you know, and it's online. That's the beauty, as a trader, For those who are full-time workers also or working, if you want to pursue your studies, continue or whatever, or take another degree, check out Mapua. Yeah, there's a digital lesson right now. So, someone is asking, hindi against parents mo sa trading path mo? Guys, no one knew I was trading. None of my friends, none of my family. I was trading full straight 4 years, guys, 3 years. No one knew I was trading. It's just last 2020 during the COVID. Then, my family, I shared it. This is much, this is much. No one knew the struggles. That's why I have mentioned this before, that when I was trading, I do not have the community like the premium, the Discord right now. I didn't have that. It was literally just me, the market, my losses, my profits, my failures and all of that. It was just me. So no, I have not shared it with a friend. My friends are actually surprised that I trade. And funny thing is this, one guy, one of my friend, um his other friend, which is my ano then, my batchmate, he was not my classmate but batchmate, another section in high school. He was like, bro, or he was like, tol, longer, yeah. Bro, have you seen this Mayari? He was showing the TikTok in in his phone. And then like, she's trading this much like that. And then that friend was laughing. It was like, you don't know, that's our classmate. It's really late, guys. No one knows I used to trade. Yeah. So with that said, I don't think my parents could have against on it, because the moment they get to know that I was trading, I was already profitable now. Yeah. So, wow. So, hindi sila aware sa kinikita mo, but why? Yes, they were not aware with what I earn. No one knows how much I earn, to be honest, guys. Till now, no one knows. I'll be showing my uncles. Now, I'm a little bit open na, but they don't know how much I really earn. So sometimes I'll just show my running trades yeah, in Binance on my phone. I'll just show them. Oh, right now, can you see I'm holding this trade for 3 days now? It's like $500, $600. Yeah, and that much only, but like the full picture, no one knows. So, kasi pinapakalaman din sa siya. Probably blue tears. That's one thing also, yeah. Anyway, so do you attend live events, mom? What kind of events? When I was back in Manila, when I was starting when I was studying in Manila, yeah, I attend a lot of events. Like one that I haven't mentioned was film. Yeah. Film festivals. What else? Like yung mga SMX, Comic Con. Yeah. Familiar with that, guys? Comic Con. I attend that not because of not because of, I mean, I like comics. Like, I remember it was the time when it was, booming. It was Harley Quinn during that era. I still have those merch. It was because of my little sister. She was a big fan of this. So I'll just be there tagging along, just enjoying. Siya yung naka-cosplay, not me. yeah, so those kind of events are also um, concerts. Yeah, yeah. Back in Manila, I was so active with it. I had the time. So yeah, conference related to Web3, ano lang, online. I try to join if I can. Yeah. So I love the humility. Thank you. Thank you. So, uh-huh. Okay, so let's chart LTC right here. Mm-hmm. All right, so 1 hour. One, two. Yeah, LTC, in a sense, it's in a good buy zone. Yeah, it's in a good buy zone, guys. This is short term, short term. Let me take this out. I don't like this. I don't like it. I like seeing my charts naked. Kumbaga, bare ba bare. Sige, so let's open on the daily. Okay, on LTC. I have discussed this yesterday, right? Discussed this one yesterday. That this one is a rejection, and possibly we're gonna be hitting right around this zone. So it's good that we have um the data from yesterday. So for someone who was asked LTC, or if you guys are planning to get LTC, I recommend you can start doing your um Let me type it out. Eto. Okay, for those who are new into trading, so they'll understand DCA. So what is DCA? DCA is dollar cost, ano siya guys? Dollar cost averaging. Okay, so meaning you are buying, like for example, LTC go to the price of 88, right? It goes to 88, and you have around $1,000 to buy Litecoin, but you're not gonna buy your $1,000 whole at 88. So you can buy around like $300, just $300, right? At 88. And then as it goes down, now let's say it goes down at 83, you can buy another $200, let's say, right? And then okay, just a moment. So 30,000. Okay. So now 77, right? If what's the word for this? 77. Yeah, you can buy another one. That is what we call dollar cost averaging. Okay, as the price is going down, you buy in some parts back. Okay, some small parts of your mm, account or initial investment. All right. So with that, Litecoin, you can start accumulating from 88. Okay, I'll do the ano na lang. I do the what's the word for that? Whole number. Okay, so 88, 83, another one 77. Just write it down. Um, yeah, last is 73. I'll do 73 because this one is a weak type of entry and sometimes it's too quick to catch. Something like this. Can you see that? It will spike right away. It will spike right away. Ito, it will spike right away. So we'll do 73 rather than the data that we're seeing that is 72. So 73, 74. Sige, so that's for LTC. And then let's check XRP. XRP, mm-hmm. Okay, daily, really good bounce to the upside. But now, can you see this? This is like, there's no reference. No reference. We literally just like go up. So with that, we have to go on the historical values, na historical, data. So let's open the monthly. Now, I want to see the monthly. Okay, monthly, there's a supply zone at this area. Can you see that? And the supply zone rejected that zone. Can you see? So now we know why XRP got rejected, right? There is a supply zone in this area. So that's good. We know. Now, so what happened with XRP? XRP broke a really strong or really long resistance, which is the 0.534. Yeah, we broke it. Good, we broke it. So this is the monthly. There is what? There is 15 days before the XRP monthly will close. 15 days left, guys. Okay, 15 days. And if it closes like this, even this much only, that is very bullish. And let me tell you, XRP can easily go $4. $4, guys. I'm talking long term, okay? Long term and bull market. And this is not even bull market, guys. Can you see? It's not even bull market, but XRP rose still, the midline of from the all-time high. Can you see that? Yeah. All right. So let's open the 2 week. 2 weeks. Okay, 2 weeks right here. If I can see, even if I don't pull out the Fibonacci, that's a zero point 0.6 rejection. Okay, for those who wants to just like, confirmation, yes. Can you see that? Right at the 0.618 correction. Yeah. Right. So, of course, we're going to be looking for possible pullback, right? Possible pullback. Uh-huh. Mm. That's good. Okay, one, two, three. There's nothing in here, to be honest. There's no reference in this section. Okay, in this section, none. The only reference that we have currently is this red zone. That's the thing, red zone. So by the no, by the monthly in 2 weeks. That's what I can see. So let's open the weekly. All right, weekly. Uh huh. It's red zone. We cannot refer on that. Zero point 0.6, 0.3. Okay. Wait, I want to see something over here, guys. And also we can possibly get some entries with XRP because XRP just won their no their legal court battle. So that's one of the reason why XRP pumps so much. Hmm. Let me take this out. I don't like this. Okay, I'll break it down. All right. So technical analysis. This is full on technical analysis I will be doing in here. So we got this break right here. Can you see that? Get the break of this full on downtrend, and we just broke the control of this, to be honest. So our main trend, even on the higher time frame, not just in the lower, XRP, I'm telling this right now for everyone, XRP is full on bullish. Full on bullish. Remember that. Okay? Higher time frame, all levels are broken. All levels. So market is an uptrend. So we want to be getting in the what do you call this, trading, trend trading. Sige? So mhm, resistance is up in here. This is the monthly zone rejection, also the 0.618. uh, okay, let's check. This is the pullback. That is way too low for XRP to visit, but it's valid. This strategy that I have, the breakout, my private students knows that. So yeah, it's valid possibly, but yeah, minimum that we can expect is this, the red zone talaga. Red zone. 3 day fairly bullish. Daily not so much, it's slowing down. Uh-huh. 844. Okay, so I guess XRP is gonna get some rest in here, guys. Okay, it will have some rest. So what I want you to do with XRP right here, since we already have almost a defined type of resistance on the 4 hour, which is around here, we have some supply zone in here now. Can you see? Supply zone. So in TikTok, Blue Tears is asking, "What type of trader are you, ma'am?" I'm scalper. I'm a scalper. They trader intraday, but I do know how to trade long term swing trading. So, okay, but yes, that's my main. So if you are wondering what do I do as when I trade that, you can go over my TikTok account. I have videos, of my trades in there, so you can see. Yeah. So right here, one, two, three, four, five, four. No, it's just in four right now. But yeah, we'll see 4 hour. So this type of, this movement, they are unusual, as a technical analysis. So you have to be filtering all possible datas in here so we can get an accurate, levels. So right now, okay, we get the bounce of the 382, and that level is important. Okay, so if we get at this level around 0.6869, okay, you can get it. and maximum that XRP can visit, I guess it would be around in between of this. In between, by the way, guys, for those who are on TikTok, you can watch this full on in my YouTube. So again, my YouTube, guys, is right here, Mayari Capital. Okay, I'm currently right now live. Okay, and if you want to watch the full video of this, it is available in there only. Sige, you can rewatch it, during your spare time. Yeah, so for the XRP, around 0.5 to 0.618, yeah, which is 0.64 to 0.63 value, this area, yeah, we can accumulate if it goes down till here. But the first point of accumulation for XRP, if you want to long it, is right at this area. Okay, right at here. So 1 hour, 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 6, 4, 8, 30. Okay, 15, 10, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 1. This is 2. That's good. Yeah, you can short some scalping, ano tawag dito? Scalping approach, you can short this one, guys. Ito. Something like this one. Stop loss. Mind your no your percentage. By the way, guys, if you want to learn the percentage thingy, managing your risk, I have that full on lesson sa my eto. It is in my premium, okay? My premium uh, Discord, okay? But if you'll ask me, Miss, is it possible to have my stop loss right here? That's possible. Little bit of tight risk, but if you are conservative, you can do this. Okay, 0.1. Take profit since we are expecting XRP to go down um, around. Okay, so if we are doing this, okay, like this much only, um, to be honest, it is not a high quality type of setup, and this type of trade I do not give it out. So I do scalp this one only, but low risk. I'll be doing like something like that. Yeah, something like that, and that's gonna be based off, yeah, something like this. ABC 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, yeah, we're about to break out from here. Okay, let's see the higher time frame for that. 1 minute has already crossed over. 5 minutes is gonna follow 10 minutes, already doing 15, 30. 30 will give us some resistance, and that's gonna be the bounce on the breakout. 15, 1 minute. Yeah. So that's one for XRP. Okay. If you want to scalp XRP, you literally have a trading pattern right now, going on right now. Okay, for it. And it's valid 0.78. That's fine. Yeah, if you're scalping, multiply by 10, that is a 7% risk. Okay, 7% risk with a possible win of 14%. So yeah, almost 2 is to 1 RR. Okay, almost 2 is to 1 RR. Okay, now let's go over Sasol. Okay, let's go over Sasol. 4 hour. 10%. Yeah, these are my old ano na. Very far. Let me remove all the drawings. Okay, so taking a little bit of break, guys. It's like I didn't even knew where did the time went. It's already 10 p.m. in Philippines now. Wow, we're past like 2 hour. 2 hours. I don't know what's with tonight, but we did 2 hours. And luckily, my throat is doing fine. Way better than yesterday. Yesterday was really bad. Yeah. But anyway, so Sol, um, Do you guys know the history of Sol? Yeah, yeah. If you are familiar with FTX, SBF ba also, some bank fried man, right? Correct me if I'm wrong, but yes, he's one of the founder of Sol. So when FTX went down, that's why it also from 30. I remember that it was November last year. I have told my premium that Sol is gonna go down. Anyone who caught on that, you know, anyone. Okay, for those who are back in my premium, I have mentioned this that Sol. I don't feel good with Sol. It's gonna go down. And let me tell you, next day after that, Sol went from 30 to 9. Can you see that? I'm not joking, you guys. I remember my trades. I remember my trades. So, from again, right here, around 30, it went 9, almost 9. I'll never forget that because I shorted Sol. I shorted Sol. Yeah, so um, now with Sol, is there any possibility that it's going to go up? 50-50. I don't want to say so much because fundamentally I'm not usually a fundamental traders. I do technical analysis talaga, but sometimes there are instances that you really have to use fundamental. For example, like axi slp, technical wise they are a really good long position right now, axi slp. But is it for me to trade, right? Not quite so. Yeah, there's 50-50 for for that to happen. Now with Sol, it's the same thing due to the scandal that went with it. So if am I gonna trade it? Possibly, when bull market comes. But am I gonna like put it in my portfolio? I won't. I don't own Sol now. I might soon, if I see some positive um, news with it or anything related to that. But yeah, so but let's still do a technical, full on technical with it. Uh-huh. This part, can you see this part? Yeah, I'm gonna cut it till here lang. Yeah. So if you'll ask me, Miss, is a Sol out of downtrend now? Not yet. Unlike XRP, that it is full on. I'm telling you, XRP is full on bullish long term now. Sol, not yet. We are still in the downtrend. Okay. So we have another one in here. So if you guys are wondering what are you plotting this in here, so this one I have discussed this in my market structure lesson with my crash course and my privates. Yeah, for those who knows. Yeah. So but in other words, these are my levels that I watch if if we are full on bullish na or not yet. So nagana ba ang ICT or SMC sa crypto? Possibly, yeah, because I see some traders, some students also that they do trade SMC, and yes, it works. Yes. So, let's see some others on here. 2 weeks, weekly. Okay, weekly we can catch up. Monthly, there's not that much data. Weekly, 3 day, full on straight daily. Okay, so watch out for Sol since it's gaining too much strength to the upside. We might get some bounce, and that is possibly right here. Oh, this 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 demand. Okay, I'm sorry for those who are in TikTok. Yeah. Okay, let me move that. Yeah, right here. So let me. Eto. Can you see that? This supply, that supply zone. So going over here, and rightly so, when Sol got a move up till this area, and oh, now I only saw It's 33, right at the price where it dropped. You remember the history that I told you? Yeah, where I shorted, ano, that was November 30. Around 30, guys, Sol drop all the way to 9. Can you imagine? 30 to 9. So with that, that's a rejection, heavy rejection. So if you ask me about long term, watch out for Sol right at the 30 zone. Okay, that's a strong resistance right here. Okay, so this 38 level, this is the first level that you have to be breaking, to be fairly bullish. A confirmed bullish, we need to break the 48 level. That's it. Okay, 48 level. Okay, so I hope that answers your question. you know so is Sol go still good to hold till now, Miss? That's up to you. That's up to you. If is it still good to hold, I cannot. To be honest, I cannot say, like the reason that I have mentioned earlier. I cannot. Yeah. So so you profited Sol a lot, Miss. It was a good profit. It was a good payout, I can tell you. Like, come on. When does it happen? Like, a coin like that drops from 30 to 9 in just like a manner, a couple of hours like that. So, yes, it was a really good profit. Yeah. Anyway, so ha ha ha. I guess that's it for tonight. We lasted almost like 2 hours and 30 minutes this time. And yes, guys, for those who are in TikTok, okay, I do live during evening, like around 7:30 p.m. You can catch me in my YouTube. My YouTube is this one, huh? Okay, Mayari Capital. Sige. So the DJ is like, so if it reached 33, we can short for for Sol. I'm assuming you're saying Sol, huh? Yes, you can. You can absolutely scalp that. I myself, I will personally scalp that. That's a strong rejection right there. Yakamuna, thanks for this live. You are welcome. Thank you for being here. Yeah. Again, if you want to learn how to trade, I have some free trading lessons right around here for those who are new in no in YouTube, our new members in YouTube. Guys, I have free trading lessons how to trade from part 1. So if you have any friends or your family, all right, that who wants to learn how to trade, yeah, I broke it down, as simple as I can in here, everything that you need. So yeah, you can watch this. Thanks, Miss. Baka mabuko ka na ng parents mo. Tagal na ng live natin. Yes po. Don't worry. They know. Now they know. Oops. Yeah, now they know. Yeah. And, uh-huh. Yes, that's it. Yeah. So for those who are in YouTube, thank you guys for being here. See you again tomorrow. Okay. I'll send out link again in Discord and in Instagram and in Telegram. Okay. Bye 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 guys. See you tomorrow, Carl. Yeah. Bye bye. Have a good night.